We'll guide you through how to record your face and screen on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do as you can go and capture what's happening on your screen. And as well as that, you're going to be able to go and include your camera or webcam. I like including this, it just makes it a bit more personal. Otherwise, it just doesn't look as good in my opinion. I think it goes and makes it a bit more personal, and you people can go and see who you are and what you're doing. And I think it's a great addition. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's an entire guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important. We're going to guide you through how it can be done, and then how you can go and find the video file, and then you can go and share it if you want to and do what you want to with it. So it's important you watch this entire guide. So without any further ado, let's go and continue. So what you can do is you can go and open up a web browser. We're going to use Safari, that's the default one. So go and click on it to open it up. Now, what we're going to need to do here is we need to go and search for OBS. So you can go and type in OBS Studio like so. This is the program we're going to use. You can see here it's free and open source and cross-platform. So what you want to do is come to the official site, which is obsproject.com. So what we can do is download it, and then we're going to go and shoot the full setup process as well. So go and press Mac. Now it does say Mac, Intel, and Apple Silicon. Modern Macs go and use Apple Silicon. To go and check this, press the Apple icon in the top left, and you can press About This Mac and come to Chip. We can see here it's an Apple chip, as it says Apple M1 Pro. So that means it's Apple Silicon. So we can close this, and you want to come to Mac OS and click that there, and then it's going to go and start downloading. You can go and press downloads in the top right if you're in Safari and go and see it here. If you use Chrome, it'll be there as well. You can also go and find it in Finder. So open up Finder and go to downloads, and you'll find it there. And now we need to install it. So I'll just install it via Safari. So press downloads, and here it is. So click on it once and then double click on it, and it's going to go and open up. Here we are. So what you need to do is go and drag OBS into applications like that. And we can then close out of here. Now we've gone and got it in there. You can go and press the search in the top right and search for it, or open up Finder, press applications to the left, and we need to go and find OBS. You can scroll down. Here it is. So select it and double click on it. Now it's going to start opening up. We'll go and get a pop-up saying, are you sure you want to open it? You can go and press open, and now you can go and wait. So we do need to go and give it permission to go and use the extension. So we're going to go and press OK, and that should be okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and you see scenes here. But first of all, just go press settings in the bottom right and come to the left to video. And what we can do is you can go and lower the quality if you want here, or you can have it matched to the same as your Mac would be. So we'll just have it matched. FPS to that to 60. And then you can come to the left and choose output. Make sure it's set to simple. Now you can come into recording, and recording path, that is where your video is going to go and be saved when you've gone and recorded it. So it's going to be in my documents to screen recordings. For this guide, I'm going to press browse, and I'm just going to go and put it on my desktop for this guide so we can easily go and find it. We can go down to desktop, but you can go and do it in different places. We'll press open, just as easily found, and you can press audio to the left, and you can come down to mic, and you can go and choose the mic you want to use, and then press OK. Now we need to go and start adding in our sources. So what you can do here is you can come select your scene and press the plus in sources at the bottom, and press Mac OS screen capture and press OK. And then you can press display and choose your display, and you can go and press allow, press OK, and there it is. And then what we can do is we can go and add in our webcam. So press plus, and then what you need to do is you want to go and press on video capture device, press OK. And press device, and you can choose your FaceTime camera, and it should shortly activate. Here we are. And then what you can do is go and press OK, and here it is. And so what you can do is go and resize it by clicking, holding, and dragging like so. And you can click and hold it, position it where you want to. And you can go and crop it by holding the Option key on your keyboard, and you can make it into a square if you wanted to, like so, and then position it where you want to. One thing I would note is just be careful where you position the camera, because sometimes you can hide up vital things. So what you can do is you can go and press start recording, and you're now going to be recording your screen. You can minimize that of OBS, and we're going to be recording. And then what you can do when you're finished is you can go and press stop. You can then go and play it back. Mine will be a bit laggy because I'm recording twice at the moment because I'm capturing this screen here. But if you find it's too laggy, you can come to your settings and come to video, and you can go and change the output scale resolution to a lower one. And that will go and make the quality lower, but it should go and speed up the process and should go and reduce the lag. If you found this useful, then leave a like.